Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate student grade using Excel sheet. The function that we are going to use is the if function. So type equal sign, then if, open a bracket. The if function takes three inputs. The first is the value that we are going to compare, and then the two are the results of the comparison or the logical test. So click on this one, and then I will write greater or equal mathematical expression to say if this is greater than or equal to 85, then grade the student A, and if this is not valid, then give them B. After this, close the bracket. Now this means the student, if they have scored more than or equal to 85, they'll be scoring A, otherwise it is going to be B. Then press enter. You can see now this formula, you don't have to write it for everything. You just scroll, you just drag it down and fill. Now as you can see, all of this are graded accordingly. But what if you have more grade ranges like A, B, C, D? And in that case we can use nested if. That means we will write if inside if. Let me show you how to do that. Now if this condition is valid, give them A, but if it is not valid, another if here. So here I will erase this one and I will write another if open and close the bracket, if this score is greater than or equal to 75, give them B, and if not, it's going to be C. This one is supposed to be comma. Okay, then press enter. Now I will duplicate this formula down. Okay, now you can see that we have different grade ranges. Okay, so this is if I want to include B, for example, here I will change one of the grades here. Let's say this one 75. So you can see we have the three grade ranges A, B, C. You want to extend the same way, you can do it just the way I showed you here. You add more ifs to include more ranges. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.